What's up fella, Success Animation here. Before we start, I will give away my fractionation guidebook for free, but only to the first 1,000 people. So be fast and click the link in the description to save it. Sex positions for female orgasm. 1. The feline position. Essentially this is a vis-à-vis position, yet the man rides a lot higher than he would in the Pinter position, so his shoulders and head are around 6 inches higher up the bed than ordinary. This means his penis doesn't go right into the vagina. Rather, the stem or base of it is pulled hard against the clitoris, creating incredible sensations in that extremely significant little organ. The other contrast is that as opposed to taking his weight on his elbows, the man should basically give his mass a chance to lay on his accomplice's upper chest. Plainly, if he's an overwhelming guy, this may be an issue. You can try different things with this situation to get it totally directly for you. A few people do it with the man's legs outside the lady, yet you can likewise attempt it with his legs inside yours. Numerous couples discover they can't push much in this position, so they sort of shake together. The feline surely creates altogether different sensations from numerous different positions, so it merits an attempt, and it may very well take you to the statures of delight. I trust it does. 2. The free as air position. The man rests on his back. The lady faces the other way and plunks down on his penis. At that point, voluntarily, she bit by bit brings down herself so that with his penis inside her, her back is lying completely outstretched on the facade of his body. The lady can feel truly weightless and free as air, which is a serious novel sensation. Another reward is that either accomplice can contact the clitoris effectively. So it's extraordinary and fun, and generally an incredible time is had by all. 3. The Pinter Position. This is an especially decent position in the event that you feel anxious about contacting your very own clitoris. You shouldn't be, obviously, in light of the fact that it's yours, and you should feel flawlessly allowed to invigorate it yourself in the event that you need to. In any case, the thing about this position is that numerous men can't generally tell on the off chance that you are contacting your clitoris or not. Step-by-step instructions to do the Pinter Position. You lie level on your front and he lies, face down, over you. He at that point infiltrates you from behind. But since you are level on the bed, you get altogether different sensations from any back passage position where your base is uncertain. And you can slip your submit between the bed and your body and rub your own clitoris. A lot of ladies who have never come during intercourse have discovered that they peaked in the Pinter Position.